Hey, beautiful people, what's going on today? I hope that everyone is having a blessed day. I am having me some lunch. I know you haven't seen me in a bit, but I'll tell you about that. Let me go ahead and get my meal out for this car mukbang. Oh. For this car mukbang, it's my little placemat, y'all. Oh boy, boy, boy. Welcome, 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 beautiful, beautiful people. Fly beautifully family. I welcome you. I haven't been to Old Siam. You know, it's been over a year. But I had a taste for, I've already did my hand sanitizer and stuff when I got in the car, and I've had a taste for a Thai beef salad. If you ever had a Thai beef salad, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's delicious, okay? It could be with shrimp, beef, chicken, whatever type of meat that you want, but what it is lettuce, tomatoes, cilantro. There's probably some lemongrass in here too. With beef. I could smell it through this plastic. And it's a salad. Oh, I could smell the onions and stuff with beef. And then it's like I want to say like a rice vinegar type. It smells. Let me do a aerial view on this, because this is a Thai beef salad, you all, and it is delicious. It's been years. It's been well over 10 years since I had a Thai beef salad. And it has cucumbers as well, and you can see the juice in there. That's like like I said, a rice vinegar type juice. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome and thank you for watching. Y'all, let me go ahead and say my grace. Amen. Got some Thai, not Thai. Is it some Thai tea or something? But anyway, I got me something to drink here, y'all. And of course, when you're doing Asian food, you know, when the wrong do, the Romans do, baby. And I gotta talk to you about something right quick. Man, I already know it's gonna be delicious. Let me let my seat back a little bit more. Nope, I had already. Okay, that's good. That's good. This is what 5-5 gets you, okay? I don't need to see back that far. Look at that. Oh, and that looks like the ramen tomatoes. Oh, and it has cilantro and green onions and red onions in it. And with that beef. Oh, gosh. Yep, I can do that. How you doing? Y'all, fam, I've been out for the count the past few days. I have turn my cell phone off for a second. I love you, G. The past few days, I have I pulled my hamstring. And if you've ever pulled a hamstring, Mm-hmm. The beef is tender too. Mm. Thai beef salad, y'all. Mm. In Japan, I've seen the Okinawans, what they would do on a salad, lettuce, tomato, cucumber salad. They put soy sauce on it. I'm just saying, don't knock until you try it. You never know. The old Siam. For the family that lives here in Jacksonville, you know the old Siam on Western Boulevard, not Western Boulevard, Marine Boulevard, next to KFC. And also next to the Marachi Mexican Grill. Yeah. So I pulled my hamstring. Trying lifting, pulling and prying and tugging. What I shouldn't have been doing. What I shouldn't have been doing that. You all know I'm doing a pallet deck for my she shed. And almost done. But if you've ever pulled your thigh, I guess it's the equivalent of a man when they pull their groin and stuff. Because it hurt. I mean, I'm telling you, it hurts in the groin area, in the back of my thigh. Y'all, I've been in some serious pain. But the Marine in me will not let me give up. But let me tell you something about why didn't y'all tell me about, but since I was hopping from one place to another and stuff, one room to another, and when I decided to settle down, I saw that I said, let me watch me a movie or something, right? Pulled up Netflix to chill. And I saw this cover of Black Lightning. And I've seen it before, and I was like, should I watch this? You know, what is it? Yeah. I said, this probably some little corny superhero thing, right? I I started watching it and could not stop. I have binge watched Black Lightning. One of the things that you probably don't know about me is I dabbled in the comic books when I was younger. And that was only because my brother, he could draw. My oldest, rest in heaven, Michael. He could draw freehand. Yeah. And he was into comic books. And I got into comic books. So as I started watching Black Lightning, this is so good, y'all. Simple, 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 simple. The juice isn't as sweet like rice vinegar, but it's more of a lime. Because you have that cilantro in here too, that tastes like, you know, it has that lime taste. So you know you can get a shrimp salad or a Thai shrimp salad, which is just in the place, replace the beef with shrimp or squid, or I think you can get a combination of seafood. See, I can hardly tell my story, finish my story, because this is so good. But my question to y'all, fam, why didn't y'all tell me about Black Lightning sooner? I was talking to my brother from another mother, and telling him that, yeah, you know, I'm laid up, I done messed up my doggone hamstring, whatever it is it hurts like heck, right? I've been hip hopping it all over the place, all over the house. And I said, I started watching this Black Lightning, and I'm gonna tell y'all, that movie, I love that series. I love it. I have watched it all. Y'all didn't tell me it started. Well, excuse me. I saw on the credits that it started in. I guess it started in 2019. Y'all, I am here for it. I have watched all 3 seasons. I'm caught up. I used to watch Gotham. But Gotham, I think it had went out for a while, but you know, after they go out for a while, and it can be like a year or something, 6 months or a year, and they come back, depending on how much I like them, I lose interest in it, you know. I'm telling y'all. When I say this is good, it really is. And you don't need all that salt and pepper. Or really all that salt, you know. Because the vegetables have their own natural flavors and seasoning, you know. And y'all know I don't use the Eagle Eye. But back to Black Lightning. He's a superhero, a black superhero. And the young lady that plays in Meet the Browns, China McClain, the young girl, she's in there. And I forget what this brother, the Black Lightning, the brother, he's been in so many movies, but it was some movie that I really I remember him in. But I'm gonna tell you, it's good. The martial arts is good. Oh, excuse me, the martial arts is good. Just the storytelling is good. The details, it's a lot of action, so that's always great for me. I love action movies. And hold on for 1 second, y'all. And I love action movies, so, well, drama action, you know. And man, I'm just got my stuff on, messed up on. It's so good. They have Eddie Kane in there. Eddie Kane from The Temptations. Eddie Kane's in there. Mark. Wayne Brady. Bill Duke. There's so many. Jill Scott. Jill Scott is in it. And I'm gonna tell you what I really enjoyed too. They also they talk like we would talk, you know, in the hood and stuff. You know, our reactions. Real talk. It was not corny as I thought that it would be. It wasn't corny at all to me. But y'all, it was good. Black Lightning. All 3 seasons. I like that movie. I like that. Oh, let me tell you what was spectacular though. The sound. I wonder if it has a soundtrack to it. Oh. Yeah. They played Marvin Gaye, Curtis Mayfield, the Blues. I mean, they were going way back. And I was there for it. The movie in there, I mean not the movie, the music in there, on point. Oh, let me get this made up. But I just wanted to come on and tell you all why I hadn't been on. I hadn't even been outside. I wasn't able to, you know, really go anywhere. It hurts to press the gas and all that kind of stuff. But I'm gonna fight through this. Because I really need for it to get better. But I just want to thank you all for watching. Y'all go check out Black Lightning. I know y'all probably done seen it already and stuff like that, but I'm on it. This was just a quick video to check in. See you soon. Hey beautiful people, this is the same day from the Thai beef salad. I finally stopped at this food truck, Smoking Joe's. I always intend to stop there but never do, so I got to give y'all a review on this. And I'll let you know how it is.